how to change your username in CoinMarketCap. So here in this video, I'll be teaching you how to change your username on the CoinMarketCap. So here in the CoinMarketCap, if you want to change your name, all you need to do is press on the top right corner right here. After pressing on that right there, you'll see right there, my name is user 1 2 something like that, and press on right there. And here all we need to do, as you can see right here, right there, oopsie, sorry for the wrong press guys, because right there my username is user want 02696671. Let's say we want to change that. All we need to do is press on edit right here. As you can see right here, you don't have to press right there, you just need to press on edit right here. After pressing on edit right here, we have here two. So we have display name and username. So the display name will be the one that will be displayed on your name, and the username will be the one that people might your username here. So it's very different from the other one. So if you change your display name, let's change our display name to KJ, maybe 3021. Change display name like that, and then if we change our username into KJ only, let's say KJ only, we'll see, we need to add some numbers, but KJ, something like that. There you go, KJ already taken. So yeah, that's the problem with the username, because some of these are really, some of them are like taken, so you just have to improvise. So let's say 3021, change username. There you go, as you can see. But if we do like KJ on the display name, it won't be like somebody else already taken. It's only display name. So yeah. There you go guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions or concerns, you can type in the comment section below guys, and we'll be happy to answer you guys. And thank you guys.